In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a navigation menu in Squarespace. If you want to make your website easier to browse, adding a page to your main navigation is one of the most important things you can do. This helps visitors quickly find key sections of your site, and Squarespace makes the process very straightforward once you know where to look. To get started, log into your Squarespace site dashboard and go to Website. This is where you'll find the core settings and content areas for your site. If you're new to Squarespace, think of this section as the main control center for what appears on your live website. Next, click on Pages. This is the area where you manage the structure of your site, including the pages that appear in your navigation. You'll usually see sections like Main Navigation, and that's where we'll be working for this tutorial. Under Main Navigation, click the plus icon. This is the option that lets you add a new item to your navigation menu. When you click it, Squarespace will give you a few ways to create or add a page. At this point, you can either add a blank page or choose from an already created template page. A blank page is useful if you want to build something from scratch, while a template page can save time if you already know the type of content you want to display. This choice depends on how quickly you want to set up the page and how customized you want it to be. For this example, click Team. This selects a page option that can be used for team-related content and adds it as a new page in your site structure. Even if you choose a different page type in your own project, the process is essentially the same. The key idea is that you're selecting the page you want to appear in your site navigation. Once you do that, you'll see it added to the main navigation section. That means the new page is now part of your website's navigation menu. If your site header displays main navigation links, this page should now appear there as well, depending on your template and visibility settings. As a quick tip, after adding the page, it's always a good idea to review the page title so it looks clean and professional in your menu. Clear navigation labels make a big difference for visitors. And that's it. That's how to add a navigation menu item in Squarespace by creating and placing a page directly in main navigation.